All right, everybody, we are on A-0566, the 19th of May. Let's just show you what we've got going on here. We're going to come in the front door today because this was previously going to be done earlier this week, possibly last week. We had a couple of small issues to contend with, but now that they're handled, we've got our front offices. So when people come in, your front office is taken care of. That goes straight over here to our employee area. Que paso, güey? Here is the door going into first office. Here's our window going in to the second office. Now, that office back in the back there, that wall, we were gonna put the window right there in, but since we didn't have the room because of the bathroom, we've got a spare window. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna infill this, but when we infill this, I'm gonna go ahead and use that window right there. That'll still give us a little bit of natural light into the office area that we had been talking about. And since we've already got the window, don't want to waste it. We've had a hustling week this week. So our painters are out here doing the paint on the exterior walls, and we're doing drywall touch up also. So as of right now, I have three drywall finishers, and I have 2 drywall hangers and framers and 2 painters, and that's what we got going on here. Now what you see here is our painter is coming in and he is cutting in around each of those 3 samples that were there from a previous tenant. So instead of having it actually paint over and not look right, we just went ahead and left it there and cut in. Now here's the big stuff this week. We have our new overhead door going on, and we've got 2 crews over here. One is touching up the concrete where we poured the wall back yesterday, and one is installing our new door. Now, you've got 2 things going on here. This door is actually constructed and it is ready to go in. They're gonna bring it in next week. We'll pick up that piece of concrete and get it out. This drywall is being patched in, or I'm sorry, drywall. This concrete is being patched in to where we poured the wall back yesterday. Next week, I'll have the stairs taken care of. The door will be thrown today. And next week, we cut in the overhead door. So you see where you've got 2 spots there. The left-hand side is gonna cut out. So we infilled the entire thing. And now we're patching what's going to be seen so we can paint it. We'll repaint up here. And our awning was redone this week, so it's at 16 feet. So we'll have about 2 feet of door that will be between the 2, because it's a 14 by 14. So by the end of next week, you'll have all of this cleaned up, and you will have the ability to start using this probably Friday without any issues. We'll have this last piece of guardrail put in next week, and we'll be rocking and rolling. And that's what we look like on the 19th. It's coming close. On another note, we are waiting for our flooring to come in, and our painters are going to move inside. That's sad. That's so sad. My sister has bigger muscles than that. Yep. No, she's a she. And that's what we've got. This is really starting to push for a month and a quarter job. It's 5 weeks. We're just about to button up. You all enjoy the day. We'll talk to you soon.